This video is made possible by BrandCraft.
What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how you can make a really cool metal garment rack that you can take with you to sell anywhere, sell on the street, at a pop-up shop, at a trade show, anywhere you want. I'm gonna show you how to make something really cool like this. And we're gonna start right now. Roll that intro.
T-shirt help desk.
What's up, guys? Gary Ejene, tshirthelpdesk.com. And in today's video, we are going to make a garment rack, right? Or rolling rack, so to speak, a metal one, all right? And we're gonna do it out of PVC pipe and pretty much spray paint, all right? Without any further ado, let's get into what you're gonna need.
Okay, so you want to go to your local hardware store, right? A nice big one where you can find these, okay? PVC pipe. And you want to get a 1-inch PVC pipe, right? And a few other things that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, you're going to need all this stuff, but let me show you on a diagram so I can really make it make more sense. So you're going to want to get two 1-inch PVC pipe. They're about 10 feet, right? And then you're going to cut that into 4 5-feet PVC pipe, or however long or wide you want your rack. And then you want 4 1-inch pieces, right? And 2 2-inch pieces. Cut those out of those 1-inch PVC pipes. Then you have the 2 elbows that go at the top of the rack. And then right beneath that, you have 4 of these T connectors, all right? You need 4 of those, right? And then you have 4 end caps right there. Next thing is a PVC cutter, right? I don't get the little cheap one. I got the big, nice one, right? Then you need some metallic spray paint, a little piece of plastic or a tarp so you don't mess up the spray paint, and a tape measure.
Okay, guys, remember that all of the stuff that you're going to be using in this video, you don't have to look all over the internet. I got you covered. Everything is right down in the description box, all right?
So now it's really just a process of measuring and cutting, right? Now, let me show you everything so that there's no confusion. So it goes like this. You know those 4 5-foot pieces, right? 1 goes at the top, 2 go on the sides, right? And then there's 1 at the bottom, and that gives you your stability. Right there on the sides, right? At the top is those 2 elbows, right? And connecting at the bottom, right, that piece right there, those are those T connectors, right? There's 2 on each side. And then right there, you have those 5-inch, remember I showed you those 5-inch pieces? They go into another connector, and you turn that sideways, and more 5 inches. Those make the feet, and then you add the end caps. That's it. You cut the big pieces, you want to cut the little pieces, right? It looks something like this. You have the 4 5-inch pieces and the 2 2-inch pieces. PVC pipe can be hard to cut. That's why you need a heavy-duty cutter.
All right, now let's get into actually putting this bad boy together.
Now, guys, this thing snaps together like logo, something really great to show off your clothing line. And if you do have a clothing line, do you have a logo? Well, if not, let me show you where you can get one. So, guys, I want to take this time to tell you about BrandCraft. Have you ever thought to yourself, man, I need a logo, but I really don't want to spend a whole lot of money? Enter BrandCraft. You just go to brandcraft.com, enter the name of your company, add some keywords of what your company is about, and press enter. They have so many different logos and company genres. You can also do business cards, Facebook and YouTube banners, IG posts and stories, and so much more. There's going to be a link down in the description box. And if you use the code T-Shirt Help, you're going to get $15 off your logo. And T-Shirt Help Desk viewers get 60% off a premium logo pack. How you like them apples? So check them out. BrandCraft, everybody. Let's get back into this video. This thing is so simple. All the hard work is done. The cutting is the hard part. You literally just snap this thing into place. You might want to use the mallet to get everything tight, right? Those are those 2 1-inch pieces. You put those at the bottom. You might want to also glue things together, right? You take those and you put those other pieces in just like that. If you glue it, it stays together. If you don't glue it like I do, you could just, pull it apart, right? You bang everything in, and I'm putting on those end caps that I told you about. Stand it up, and there is your rack, right? Now let's get to painting.
Okay guys, as I showed you before, the spray paint thing, right? Make sure if you can, if you do this, if you spray paint it, do it outside or in a very well ventilated area, because let me just tell you something, that spray paint is a beast.
So guys, you just want to go over it, get a nice coat. You want to put a couple of coats on it, and it really begins to look like metal, right? And also you can see that's that plastic on the ground. You don't want to mess up your ground, right? And you spray paint it with that metal stuff. Make sure it's the spray paint metal that has a primer, right? Put a couple of coats on that bad boy, and it is done. So check it out. That is it. It is all done, right? And look at that. You put you some clothes on it. You can show this anywhere. Look at how nice and professional that looks. And it's just PVC pipe and spray paint, ladies and gentlemen. All right, Done Deal Records. Don't get no better than that.
All right, that's it, guys. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. It's something you can make. It's not that expensive. And make it happen, Captain. You can have a nice rack to put all your beautiful clothing from your t-shirt line, all right? Start a t-shirt business or die trying. Anyway, folks, I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Do something good for somebody. If you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. All right? Peace.